Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix the controller not working on EAFC24 on PC. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So here are the first step on how you can try and fix the error. So first, just right click onto your EAFC24 in your Steam library and select properties and head into the controller, and under the override for EAFC24 in the drop down menu, just select disable Steam input. And after doing that, and the problem is they are still persist, I'm going to show you further steps or further fixes that you can do to possibly fix the error. So first, what you can do is to just check the battery level and the USB cable. So sometimes the controller might not work properly because it has a low battery or a faulty cable. So to check the battery level, just press the and hold the PS button on the controller and look at the indicator on the screen. And if it is low, plug the controller into a power source using the USB cable that came with it, and just make sure the cable is not damaged or loose. And if the cable is broken, you might need to replace it with a new one. And then next, what you can do is to reset the controller. So if the battery and the cable are fine but the controller still does not work, you might need to reset it. And to do that, just locate the small hole in the back on of the controller near the L2 button and use a paper clip or a similar object to press and hold the reset button inside the hole for about 5 seconds, and then reconnect the controller to your console and see if it works. And then next, what you can do is to update the controller firmware, because sometimes the controller may not work because it has outdated firmware. So to update it, you need to connect it to a computer using a USB cable. Then go to the EA's website and download the latest firmware for your controller model and follow the instructions in how to install it on your device. And after that, reconnect the controller to your console and check if it works. And then lastly, if this fix is still didn't fix the problem, what you can do lastly is to contact the EA support. So if none of the above or the mentioned solutions work for you, you might have a defective controller that needs to be repaired or replaced. So in that case, you should contact EA support and explain your problem, and they might ask you to send them your controller for inspection or offer you a replacement or a refund. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.